So in today's lesson, we are going to talk about how weed was legalized. We healed the government. They did trials. Everything they wanted, we gave it to them. Because heal the people and meditate to see my next coming of Jesus Christ. I'm trying to talk in a less loud voice so you can hear my message. 'Cause we need to heal the people. That is why it's legalized. We need to help the people to get to see the next coming of Jesus Christ, because He will choose the people. He can bring it good. You need to help the people because He was chosen. He can heal the people because you need to meditate. You need to meditate because Jesus is coming, and you need to meditate to be healthy and see Jesus Christ for the next coming. You need to be healthy because it is important. It needs to meditate because it needs to be healthy. Because it needs to be healthy. Help the people to meditate and get healthy for the next coming of Jesus Christ. Please share this video. We need to meditate and get healthy for the next coming of Jesus Christ. Yay, Christ. Because you have been chosen. You need to let the people know to meditate, to be healthy for the next coming of Jesus Christ. He needs to show the world He can meditate. He needs to meditate. You need to meditate for the next coming of Jesus Christ. They say for my return that it will be peaceful. It will be good because you will be there to witness me. To witness me. Do you understand that? You need to witness me. I'm taking over a body just so that way they can get the help they need, because they need to meditate and see the next coming of Jesus Christ. Meditate to be healthy, because we need to be healthy to see the next coming of Jesus Christ. We need to show the world how to meditate because He needs us to see. We see that we can help them see that we can be alive for the next coming of Jesus Christ. There during meditation, Caitlin is experiencing a circle of people holding hands in a healing circle. So that is what we need you to do, because it needs to be healthy.